Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be showing you how to cook whiting fish fillet in couple minutes. So first we have mustard oil, then we have chopped garlic, and then chopped onion, and then salt to taste. And cook them until they're little transparent, especially the onion. You will see little pinkish color instead of dark pink. And now couple seeds of methi, and then chili powder, and then half a teaspoon of ginger powder, half a teaspoon of paprika powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and pinch of ajwain powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, and pinch of mustard powder. If you put too much of the mustard and ajwain powder, then it will make the curry bitter, so just be careful on that. And now we will add half a cup of water. And then mix the masalas little bit before adding the fish fillet. Now mix the masalas with the fish fillet. And if you want the curry to be more spicy, then you can add more chili powder or more green chilies. It's up to you. And now we will add more half a cup of water and then green chilies, and cover with lid until the fish fillets are fully cooked. And now we are adding frozen cilantro. And now cover with lid so the frozen cilantros get cooked a little bit, and after a couple minutes your curry is ready. So I hope you guys have enjoyed my recipe. Please don't forget to try at home, and also please do not forget to share, subscribe, and like my video. And Happy New Year again. Thank you.